Welcome back to AviationXplore channel and our jaw-dropping aviation clip series. Let's go straight to the video. In this first clip, a Cessna 172 blows a tire while landing in St. Bart's. In the next clip, an A340 sets off car alarms in St. Maarten. This is crazy. Another one. This plane almost hit the ground with its wing. This is what air-to-air photographing looks like. Isn't it really cool, right? This plane destroys runway lights while taxiing. Look at this, an Airbus A220 climbing up like a rocket. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.